We listen and we don't judge.
One time talaga, nagmamadali ako. Tapos, syempre nagmamadali na ako, malalate na ako eh. Na aksidente na gamit ko yung toothbrush.
No! That's not accident!
Hindi, isang beses talaga. Tapos, hindi na siya naging aksidente na mga sumunod na. Mga sumunod na times.
I know! Kasi I'm like, did you use my toothbrush? And you're like, yeah. And I'm like, did you know? You're like, yeah. Use my toothbrush.
Yeah, every 2 or 3 months nagpapalit tayong toothbrush, diba? Lahat yun. Nagamit ko na.
Dami!
Walang ligtas. Hindi to sometimes. Every time. Every time na may pinapahanap ka sa akin na ako yung nag-ayos. Palagi ko sinasabi na nandyan lang yan, nandyan lang yan.
But you don't actually know.
Pero hindi ko talaga alam kung saan ko na nailagay.
Daddy! We listen
and we don't judge.
Sometimes, katulad kahapon, I'm actually angry, but then it depends when you react to how you react. I end up like, nakakatawa kasi, so I end up laughing inside. So I'm actually not angry anymore.
Isang araw.
Anong isang araw,
yeah.
yeah.
Kaya kahapon, saan ka nagalit ka?
Anong isang araw, yeah.
Ang bilis mo pa maglakad.
My mouth is already twitching kasi like, I actually wanted to laugh, so then I just walked away.
Oh,
we listen
and we don't judge. Every time na tatanungin mo ako kung saan tayo kakain, or kung mag-o-order ng food or drinks, palagi akong mag-o-order nung gusto mo muna.
Daddy, that's one of mine! My one was like, I'm gonna tell you to order something that I actually want. But I just wanted to taste. I know that I'm not gonna be able to finish it. So then I tell you to order it. So then, kahit hindi ko ma-finish, I'm gonna tell you, oh, Mahal, you have to finish it because you ordered it.
Yeah.
And
you don't judge.
This one you already know. I pretend that I can't open something so that you can open it for me.
I know it.
We listen and we don't judge.
Kapag magsha-shopping tayo, pag may sinabi ka, oh, this one looks good on you, Mahal. I don't know, hindi ako nag-iisip pag nagsha-shopping tayong dalawa. Kasi alam kong maganda yung style ng picking mo. Kapag may nagustuhan ka lang sa akin. Most of the time, ayun lang yung binibili ko.